Scrolling down here, you also have the invoicing section. So this is what it links it to your accounting customer, typically in QuickBooks, but your accounting customer. So in here, you will see in the drop down of all of the different customers created in our QuickBooks account. So in here, we have in our STRATAFOLIO demo company QuickBooks account, we have a customer called Bookstore. That is what is going to link these two together for all of the invoicing and ACH and all of that. So it's very important that you pick what has already been created. If you do not see it in the drop down, that means it has not been created or has become inactive in your QuickBooks, and you'll want to make sure that that is updated before you try to add it here. If you are using classes, this is also where you will select the class. If you are using classes for a whole asset or for a joint property, or if for this example, we are using 3519 Partridge Way, and we are using it that they are using Unit 3A. So we have a class set up specifically for this tenant, for this unit. This assures us that when we post the invoices or anything out of Stratafolio, that it will be posted to the bookstore customer and using the class for 3519 Partridge A with the subclass of 3A.